Starting to think about your monetization strategy? I have a framework for you. Welcome to our monetization series. Today we're going to talk about customer segmentation and why it is so important for your monetization strategy. I'm Cibele Baranauskas, Senior Director of Marketing at Retrieve. I have led marketing and sales innovation projects for the last 12 years in VC-backed startups and Fortune 500 organizations. Have you ever heard of the Jobs to be Done theory by Clay Christensen? It's a helpful framework for organizations and entrepreneurs like you to know your customer needs so you can launch the right products for them. You know, 95% of all products that are launched today in the market fail. So let's talk about how to really understand your customers and how to create the right products that sell. The goal of the theory is to really know your customers so you can provide the right products for them. It's a different approach to segmentation. It is not about who bought a product or what product they bought, but why they bought that product. What job did they need to get done that led them to buy that product to achieve that mission? So let me give you an example. Christensen was hired by a fast food company to increase milkshake sales. Traditionally, they would segment the customers by their age group and demographic information, geographic location, and they would ask them more about the product. Do you want the milkshake to be bigger? Do you want it to have more crunchiness? Would you like more flavor options? After interviewing customers, Christensen's team realized that what drove people to buy the milkshake was not their specific age group or demographic or geographic location. They all just had one job that they needed to get done in the mornings. They had a commute and they really wanted this commute to be fun. So they hired the milkshake for the job. With that insight, they found that their competitors were not other fast food chains. In fact, they were much broader. Their competitors were bananas, cereal bars, donuts, anything that made that commute more fun and was easy to consume while you were driving. The fast food chain then decided to create a whole experience around that morning commute and saw sales skyrocket. Okay, back to the creator world. Start thinking about your audience in this sense. What kind of jobs do they need to get done and what are they hiring you for? Are they hiring you for a good laugh at the end of the day? Are they looking for inspiration on how to get healthier or how to use a certain software product? Once you nail that, you can create experiences around that job that needs to get done. So for example, if somebody hires your content because they want inspiration on how to get healthier, they may be interested in meditation retreats or healthy meal deliveries. Think about your competitors in a broader sense. What are they offering? What are the different things that you could be offering as an experience to get that job done more effectively? From there, I guarantee you'll launch products that will be successful. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more marketing strategy tips here in our monetization series at Retrieve.